Okay, so it's lunchtime and I have not done any videoing. More or less trying to find out if this is working, and this is how it looks. Kind of have to say I think it looks like the plan, so I think it's working. Interesting. Anyways, stop for lunch and hopefully I'll start to do some more videoing of this fascia board process. Okay, so I got this papered. This fascia board is 12 7/8 thick. This gable is dropped 3.5 inches. So I'll put a mark right at the top here, I guess. 12 7/8. Come down to here. Same thing, come down 12 7/8. Remember the gable is dropped 3.5. Okay, so this is technically fascia, soffit backing. This guy I have to get to fasten. Get a little better with that nail. This hanging over 22.5 inches. That's too far. Make sure I'm actually not to the sheeting but to the framing. Okay, check that. 22, smidgen out. Use this light. 22.5 to the framing now, okay? So we want to find our vertical little posts. Okay. And run this whole piece. I should have this cut to length. That'll work. Here's a post. Here's one. And here's one. This is the top. This is not the piece I want. This is the piece that I want. Oops. Okay. So these are just little blocks for spacing. They will hold the fascia board out at 12 inches. They are not structural. So in other words, they're not fully responsible. They are not responsible to hold the fascia board up. They're just spacing. So I'm not measuring, just giving her. Okay, so now we'll get the two blocks on the end here. So we're going to put this guy like this. This is all for the J channel to get nailed to. This is to secure the fascia board. Let's make sure we put that on the right side. To secure the fascia board where it meets my OSB. Okay, so now technically I can actually put this piece on. Can I reach it? Nope. So before I do that, I'm going to nail the lookouts on. I have better access to that. Okay. See, I can't see my marks here. Oh, it's because you didn't? What? What? Time out. Perfect. I gotta lay this out. I keep forgetting to. It's driving me crazy. Yeah. These should line up. Looks like they're almost perfect. Gotta lay this out. Fun. Whew. Absolutely gorgeous weather. Again. Okay, we have 7'5" and 3/8, 5'5" and 3/8. (3'5" and 3/8. 1'5" and 3/8. There we go. Okay, I'll just put the rest on in a minute. Okay, so perch myself on the ladder. I have a 2-inch nail in one of the blocks to support that end. I was afraid of that. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Try that again. Okay. Easy there. Easy. Okay, this is looking about perfect. This. Yeah, I like it. Right there. Okay. This has to be square, and then should line up with that tail. Oh, perfect. Okay. Good. Good. So now we can just go ahead and staple all these spacers. Hey, looking good. Okay, so this doesn't line up super nice. So all I'm going to do is grab a spare block. Okay. Flush it all up real nice. this last piece. Oh wait, yeah, that's nailed. Okay. This is the top. Yep. Okay, that's all done. We will take this shot. This is done. All right, so now we will fasten it to the lookouts, which will pull the sag out. Really difficult. Yeah. Okay. Good. So that's how that fascia board looks. There actually will be a piece of smart trim, a 4-inch smart trim, 4 or 6 on all those fascia boards all the way around the house. Anyways, I did that little one right up there and got all the 2x2 soffit backing in here, except I got a little bit to do on that wall there. So tomorrow I'll have to go and do the fascia. I have to do some sheeting and fascia, 2x8 fascia. I don't have to build any more fascia boards. Oh, I still can't see it. There it is. I have to do the fascia on all those tails there, and then sheet all those tails. Yeah, so it's nice as there's a whole flat spot to work on there, and then I'll park the telehandler and I'll pretty much grab the rest of that off the basket. I'm getting there. Be happy when the roof's on. Thank you for watching. You all take care. So see you on the next one. Bye for now.